asshole.
Okay, come get it. She has to get that up there. But she is short. And this is going on YouTube.
Oh, I don't want this on YouTube. I don't want Markiplier to see this. I don't want anybody to see this. Okay, that doesn't work. So we'll find another solution. Hey, I am a smart lady. I'll figure this stuff out, man.
It's a good thing this kitchen is clean.
It is. Mom would kill you otherwise.
A spatula.
Hey, man. Give it a try. If it doesn't work, try something else. Get into that. Ooh. Shut up. This is like getting the box off of the top of the refrigerator challenge.
The short girl challenge.
I was thinking about using a knife, but I don't want to stab it because then there'll be no way to keep the cereal fresh.
Or you would just shove it back. Then you'd never be able to get it.
No, my cereal alone. Going back to this. Right. Wait a minute, what am I doing?
Clever.
Ta-da! I did it.
Yay! She did it! This is still going on YouTube!